How to install the Matthew 25:6 app in your phone. First of all, you click onto Google Store or App Store according to your phone. Then you type Matthew 25:6 and you continue the process like here. Then you click on install. After that, you open the app to have the interface in front of you. Once here, you click on to update so you can download the language content by clicking on language. Then once here, you first download the command file, and after that you download the language that you understand or you can speak, and then you come back to this page. Then you click on the England flag to open this interface, meaning that you've already downloaded the message from chapter 1 to chapter 162. So that's all. It is the message that you've already downloaded. As simple as that. Thank you, everybody. See you later.